So yes, the idea is simple. If you want to bulk up and build muscle, you have to go on a calorie surplus. You have to avoid all these processed food and still get the desired calories. And you have to eat a lot of protein, and then you have to work out consistently. So that's how you bulk up and build muscle. So these are the things that anyone would tell you on YouTube or Instagram. Now let me tell you what worked for me. So I personally have never tracked calories in my life. The only thing that I ever cared about and I ever tracked was protein. Anything else, I did not spend any time thinking about. You have seen how I look right now, and you have seen how I used to look. So if you're someone who also wants such a transformation, then you can completely believe everything that I'm going to say. I promise you, you can trust everything that I'm going to say. I don't have anything to sell you. So what I want you to do is to eat twice of what you eat. I'm assuming you are eating whatever your mom makes, which could be rice, fish, meat, vegetables, anything. Just eat twice of what you would have eaten. So that's the first thing that you have to do. So you don't have to track your macros and do all those shit. Just eat twice of what you eat and eat as much protein as you can with it. Now for protein, you can eat chicken, you can eat eggs, you can drink milk, you can eat peanuts, you can eat green grams. Obviously, you can also have some whey protein if you want, which is like really easy to take. And yeah, do that for a few months. After 1 or 2 months, go on the weight scale and see if you're gaining weight, see if you're actually bulking up. And if everything is working out well, then keep on doing it. And if you're not gaining weight, if you're not bulking up, then you would have to eat more. And if you're gaining weight at a higher rate, like if you're gaining too much weight, then eat less of what you're already eating. So yes, this is all I did. I never used any apps. I never tracked any of these shit. I never followed any of these people who say you have to track this, you have to track that. I never did any of that. And I was still able to build a decent looking body in a healthy way.